to show you how to edit the white balance of an image in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and then from the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on it and open it, and then we have to go into the edit menu. We can open the edit menu by tapping on its icon here in the right side, or by pressing E on the keyboard. Now if we scroll down, we find the color section. Here, as you can see, the white balance is set as shot. Now if we tap on this, we have three options: either to have it remain as shot, or we can set it to auto, and that way the app is going to create an automatic white balance, or we can set it to custom. If we set it to custom, we can slide the temperature, slide the tint, move the vibrance and saturation to create a white balance that best fits our taste. Also, we have this dropper tool in the right side called white balance selector, which we use when we have an object in the image that is white. We know that it is white. For example, if we have a piece of paper that we know that it is white, we select that, and that is going to set the white balance of the image. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.